Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. Today, I am here with you to discuss the second lesson of 10th standard English. So, before going to start the lesson, I will ask you to imagine a scene. Just you imagine that you are going to your house on the road, you are on the way. There was a man who met an accident, and he was lying in the pool of blood. So what is your reaction to that? How you feel? What is your action to that scene? So let us think about the people who are there. That a man who was hit by a speeding vehicle and he was lying in the pool of blood. There were so many people. You were also there. So how the people react to that situation? Maybe somebody will call to the ambulance. Somebody will call to the police. And those who are cruel minded, they will taking photographs and making videos. But very little men will give the helping hand to that injured person. So it is our duty to help who are in difficulties, who are in danger. It is the duty of a human being. So here there is a girl by the tracks. It is a real life incident happened in 2010. Here the main characters of this incident are Roma Talreja, Baleshwar Mishra, the cab driver, and Dinesh Talreja, the brother of Roma Talreja, and a cop. So these are the main characters of this incident. There was another character, Vijay was the fiance of Roma Talreja, but here he has no dialogue. So that before going to start the lesson, let us see about the author, David Canal, the author of this incident. Let us see about him. And this David Canal, he only narrate the story, and they are not here. He was David Canal was an writer in English. He writes short stories in English for journals and magazines. So he was a writer and he was also a journalist. He writes short stories in English for magazines and journals. So this is about a short introduction about the author of this lesson. Devankanad. So before going to start the lesson, there was a line. Nobody dared to go where this youngster did. Nobody dared to go where this youngster did. So there was a girl by the tracks. So a girl was fallen from a moving train and she fell on the tracks. So there were so many people in the train which was coming from the opposite direction, but nobody was there to help her except this young man. Young man Baleshwar Mishra. So let us start the lesson. I will read the lesson. You observe my reading carefully and observe the pronunciation and underline the difficult words. So I can't write because my thumb is not in good condition. I will just say the meanings of difficult words and you have to take them. As the Mumbai Suburban Electric Train made its 20 seconds 6.32 p.m. at a station, commuters swarmed out and into its 12 packed coaches. It is a regular scene in and around India's most populated metropolis. Having just managed to squeeze herself into a ladies' compartment, 21-year-old call center executive Roma Talreja tried to settle into a corner near the door. The train huttered ahead and Roma, jammed between other women, was trying to find some space to stand safely on when she suddenly got pushed, lost her tenors, foothold and panicked. Her hands reached for the steel railing above, but finding only air, Roma was thrown out of the coach. The clattering roar of the train muffled the thud of her fall onto the ground more than a meter below. She was knocked senseless. Standing near the door of another train speeding in the opposite direction, 20-year-old Baleshwar Mishra could not believe what he had just seen. A young woman in a black salwar kameez lying next to the tracks. Meanwhile, gasps and screams emanated from his compartment. There is a girl by the tracks, the voices cried out. Impulsively, Baleshwar went and grabbed the train's red emergency chain and pulled it down frantically. The train screeched, slowing down. He then surveyed the compartment full of worried faces. "Let's go and help her," he shouted. But nobody volunteered. Afraid of getting involved, of being inconvenienced perhaps. His heart hammering his chest, Baleshwar showed himself to the door and jumped off the still moving train. As he landed on the ground, a burst of pain shot up in his ankle. But there was no real damage. He got up to find part of his old rubber slippers torn off as a result of his fall. But Baleshwar started to sprint back between the tracks as his train picked up speed again and disappeared. Baleshwar was so far away from Roma, he could not see her. "I hope I am not too late," he thought, gasping for breath after running for several minutes. He found her sprawled by the side of the tracks. "Behan ji, aap theek hai?" he asked. "Sister, are you okay?" but there was no response and no help in sight. They were alone somewhere between two stations 5 kilometers apart in Thane district, which borders Mumbai. Baneshwar could see blood flowing out of a gash behind the young woman's head. Saying a silent prayer, he lifted the 5 foot to 50 kilo Roma gingerly and made his way across the tracks, looking out for trains and searching for a way out. He crossed through some shrubbery and followed the direction of the sounds until he found the road. My sister is injured, he implored motorists who drove by. Please help me take her to a hospital. But no one stopped. That morning on December 10, 2010, a Friday, Roma Talreja arrived at the call center bright and early. The BCom graduate from Pune and been working there for 2 years. Loving her job, talking and connecting to customers and making new friends there. After work, she went to the cafeteria where she and her friends joked, laughed and made plans for the weekend. Then, heading home alone after her shift, Roma was looking forward to having supper with her parents and brother and a long phone chat with her fiancé Vijay. Baneshwar Mishra has a very different story. The lanky youngster from Mirzapur, UP, is an unemployed high school dropout who had recently came to Mumbai, living with his 2 older brothers. His job hunt had proved fruitless. Now he was treading water and had resigned himself to the fact that he was running out of options. He had spent his day with a friend, grabbed lunch and watched a movie. As Baneshwar boarded the train home, he pondered over his future, but all he could now think of was saving a stranger's life. Let us stop here. It's the time to explain. On the first paragraph, I am going to explain you as the Mumbai suburban electric train. So, it was an electric train. The Mumbai suburban means the place out of the city. Electric train made its 22nd 6:32 p.m. halt at a station. So, the incident begins with a train came to a station. Electric train came to a station for its 20 seconds halt. How much time it remains there? It halts there only for 20 seconds. Within the 20 seconds, all the passengers who have to go in and those who have to or wish to come out, they have to come out. So there is only 20 seconds time. So the train came at 6:32 p.m. So maybe it is evening, I think. 6:32 p.m. the electric train came to the station. So ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ 6:32 ಆ ಸಬರ್ಬನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಟ್ರೈನು ಬಂದು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತೆ. 20 ಸೆಕೆಂಡುಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Commuters, observe the word commuters. So this is so many times it has been asked for given word for the following. So what it means? Commuters means look at down in the page, last part of the page, commuters means one who travels to workplace daily. One who travels to workplace daily. So, ಯಾರು ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ತಾವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸ್ಥಳಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೋ ಅವರನ್ನೇ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಕಮ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್. ಒನ್ ಹೂ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಡೈಲಿ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಡೈಲಿ ಟು ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. Those are called commuters. Those are called commuters. Commuters swarmed out and into its 12 packed coaches. So how many coaches are there in the train? Absolutely yes. The train had 12 coaches and they were all packed with the passengers. Already there is no space. There was heavy rush in the train. 12 packed coaches. It is a regular scene in and around India's most populated metropolis. So you know that India is the very much populated country, and it occupied second place in the world. First place China is there in first place, and second place in India is there. It has nearly 135 crores population is there in India. So it is a common scene in India's metropolitan cities. Metropolis means the city has large or a busy city, and the city has having more than 10 lakh population. So those are called metropolitan cities. Just like that our Bangalore is there, and Chennai, Mumbai. So these are called Kolkata. These are called metropolis cities. Metropolitan cities. So it was a common scene. So you just when you have you seen in Bangalore that there was a metro train is there? There you can see these type of scenes. So it is a regular scene in and around India's most populated metropolis. So ಭಾರತದ ಬೃಹತ್ ನಗರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದಾವೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ನಗರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಒಂದು ಸನ್ನಿವೇಶಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಾಣಬಹುದು. Having just managed to squeeze herself into the ladies' compartment. So, having just managed to squeeze means pressed. Set herself into a ladies' compartment. So there was a ladies' compartment also is there. So 21-year-old call center executive Roma Talreja tried to settle into a corner near the door. So as other commuters, Roma Talreja also, she got into the compartment, ladies' compartment, and she tried to make some space for her to stand there safely. She is squeezing herself. And she is trying to make some space to stand safely. She was a 21-year-old. ಆ 21 ವರ್ಷದ ಆ ರೋಮಾ ತಲ್ರೇಜಾ ಆ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗಾಗಿ ಮೀಸಲಿದ್ದಂಥ ಕಂಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಗ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು she tried to stand safely. ಸುರಕ್ಷಿತವಾಗಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಯರ್ ದ ಡೋರ್, ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ನಿಯರ್ ದ ಡೋರ್, ಆ ಒಂದು ಬೋಗಿಯ ಬಾಗಿಲಿನ ಬಳಿ ಮೂಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ದ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಹಟಲ್ಡ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೋಮಾ ಜಾಮ್ಡ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಅದರ್ ಮೆನ್. ಸೊ there was only 20 seconds. The train will stop only 20 seconds in that station. So after 20 seconds, the train started to move. So huttle means speed. Ahead, and Roma joined between other women. So there was a rush in that compartment, and the Roma, who was searching place in that to stand safely, she jumped between other women. Here observe a word women. Woman is a singular and woman is a plural form of woman. So she jumped between other women. So she was struck. Jumped means struck. She struck between other women, those who are there in that compartment. Was trying to find some space to stand safely. So now the train is now moving. Even though there is no space, she didn't have any space there to stand safely. She is now trying. She is trying to make some space to stand safely. So that much of rush was there in that compartment, and Roma was trying to make some space in between those women. ಆ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇವಳು ರೋಮ ಕೂಡ ನಿಂತು ಸುರಕ್ಷಿತವಾಗಿ ನಿಂತುಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಜಾಗವನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. And when she suddenly got pushed. So when Roma was trying to make some space to stand safely, she had been pushed. She had been pushed, lost her tenacious foothold and panicked. So when someone pushed her, she lost her tenacious. She lost her balance, and she was feared. She was panicked. Panicked means fear. Suddenly feel frightened. Panic means suddenly feel frightened. ಭಯಭೀತಳಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಏನು ಜಾಗವನ್ನು ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೋ ಅವಳನ್ನ ತಳ್ಳಿಬಿಟ್ರು. ಅವಳು ತನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ತುಂಬಾ ಭಯಭೀತಳಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಲು. ಟೆನಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವೀಕ್ ಆರ್ shaking. So our footwords were shaking, weak. So that when she got pushed, she lost her tenacious. She lost her balance. Her foot became weak and she frightened. ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವಳನ್ನ ತಳ್ಳಲ್ಪಟ್ಲು, ಅವಳೇನಾಗ್ಲು ಭಯಭೀತಳಾದ್ಲು. ಅವಳ ಕಾಲುಗಳು ಪಾದಗಳು ಒಂದು ದುರ್ಬಲಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ವು. Her hands reached for the steel railing above. So you observe in buses also or in train also, there will be a steel rod in the top of the bus or the train to hold who are standing there. ಒಂದು ನಿಂತಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಯಾಣಿಕರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ರಾಡನ್ನ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ her hands reached for the steel railing above. So she tried to hold the steel railing above, but finding only air. But she didn't hold it. Roma was thrown out of the coach. So Roma was thrown out of the coach. It means she was fall down from the moving train. ಅವಳು ರೈಲಿನಿಂದ ಎಸೆಯಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಳು. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ she was fallen from the moving train. ಅವಳು ಆ ಚಲಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಂತಹ ರೈಲಿನಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ತಳ್ಳಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಳು. The clattering roar of the train. Clattering means making a loud sound. So you observe that when the train is moving, there was a heavy sound. We can't speak in that time because it makes heavy sound. That was called as clattering. The clattering roar of the train. ಒಂದು ತುಂಬಾ ಶಬ್ದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ರೈಲಿನ ಶಬ್ದದಿಂದಾಗಿ muffled the thud of her fall. Muffled means silenced. ನಿಶ್ಶಬ್ದ. ಅವಳು ಬಿದ್ದಂತ ಶಬ್ದ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಆ ರೈಲಿನ ಶಬ್ದದಿಂದಾಗಿ ಇವಳು ಬಿದ್ದಂತ ಶಬ್ದ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. third of her fall onto the ground more than a meter below. So a meter below, she was fall down from the moving train. She was knocked senseless. So she lost her consciousness. She lost her consciousness and she knocked senseless. So lost her conscious and she was afraid and she didn't have any consciousness. ಅವಳು ಪ್ರಜ್ಞಾಹೀನಳಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ರೈಲಿನ ಶಬ್ದದಿಂದಾಗಿ ಈ ರೋಮಾ ತನ್ರೇಜ ಬಿದ್ದಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿಸಲಿಲ್ಲ. Standing near the door of another train, speeding in the opposite direction. So, standing, there was another track. There was two tracks. In one track, the train was moving, which Roma Talreja was fallen from, and from the another direction, in another opposite direction, there was a train was coming from the opposite direction, and there was a boy, 20-year-old boy, was standing near the door of another train speeding in the opposite direction. So at the same time, another train was coming from the opposite direction. In that train, there was a boy. There was a man of 20-year-old who was standing near the door. So, ಅದೇ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಎದುರಿನ ಒಂದು ಹಳಿಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಆ ರೈಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ 20 ವರ್ಷದ ಒಬ್ಬ ಯುವಕ ಇದ್ದ ಡೋರಿನ ಹತ್ರ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ. Standing near the door of another train speeding in the opposite direction. Opposite direction means ಎದುರು ದಿಕ್ಕಿನಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ರೈಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ 20-year-old Baleshwar Mishra could not believe what he had just seen. So the boy, 20-year-old boy Baleshwar Mishra, his name is Baleshwar Mishra, he was standing near the door and he saw Roma Talreja who was fallen on the track, by the track, and he can't believe his eyes, what he had just seen. ಅವನು ಆ ರೈಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಡೋರಿನ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಅವನು ಬಿದ್ದಿರೋದು ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ರೋಮಾ ತಲ್ರೇಜ ಅವನಿಗೆ ತನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳನ್ನು ತಾನೇ ನಂಬಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. could not believe what he had just seen. A young woman in a black salwar kameez lying next to the tracks. So, a young woman who wore a black salwar kameez was lying next to the tracks. So, black salwar kameez ಅನ್ನು ಧರಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಹಿಳೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಾಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. Meanwhile, gas and screams emanated from his compartment. So, gas means a deep breath taken when surprised. So, when we are surprised, we will take a deep breath, like that. So, it is called as gas. So, here, gas and screams. Screams means that a crying, shouting. Gas and screams emanated from his compartment. So, from which compartment? The compartment in which Baleshwar Mishra was there. So, other people who were there in that compartment, so they screamed, they gasped. They also saw that, so they gasped and screamed. There is a girl by the tracks, the voices cried out. So what they cried? There is a girl by the tracks. So those who were there in that compartment, the people who were there in that compartment, they also saw the girl who was there by the tracks. And they cried, there was a girl by the tracks. ಆ ಬೋಗಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ಈ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಮಿಶ್ರಾ ಮತ್ತು ಇತರ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಯಾರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯುವತಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅಂತ ಕೂಗುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಂಪಲ್ಸಿವ್ಲಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್, ವಿತೌಟ್ ಅನದರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಇಂಪಲ್ಸಿವ್ಲಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಅನದರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. Impulsively, Baleshwar went and grabbed the train's red emergency chain. So you have all observed that there will be a chain in the train. It was in red color, and if there is an emergency, you can pull it, and you have to give the right reason for that. Otherwise, you have to pay the fine. So that was the rules. If there is a right reason, they will excuse you. So that only for that it was there. So what Baleshwar has done, Baleshwar went and grabbed the train's red emergency chain and pulled it down frantically. Frantically means with no hope. Frantically means with no hope. ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ದ, ಓಡಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಆ ರೈಲಿನಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ತುರ್ತು ಚೈನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಬೋಗಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆದರೆ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಚೈನನ್ನು ಎಳಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಚೈನನ್ನು ಇವನು ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ ಹೋಗಿ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಎಳಿತಾನೆ. ದ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀಚ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಡೌನ್. ಸೊ ನೌ ದ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಡೌನ್. So we can't stop the train at the moment, but it took time. So that's why it is just making its speed down. He then surveyed the compartment full of orifices. So after pulled the chain, red emergency chain, Baleshwar Mishra is surveyed. He observed, he looked the faces of the people who were there in that compartment. In that compartment. ಚೈನನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇತರ ಜನರ ಮುಖಗಳನ್ನು ಒಂದ್ಸಾರಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಫುಲ್ ಆಫ್ ವರಿ ಫೇಸಸ್. So the people who were there in that compartment, they were feeling worried. They are all in worry faces. Let's go and help her, he shouted. So he is calling the people who are there in that compartment. Let's come and help her. The girl was lying by the tracks. Come on, come and help to that girl. But nobody volunteered. So, but there was no, even a single person is not there to ready to help Roma Talreja except Baleshwar Mishra. There are so many people were there, but nobody is ready, nobody is volunteer. ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Afraid of getting involved, of being inconvenienced perhaps. So the people who were there, they were afraid of getting involved. So they were very much afraid about the police. If we went there and helped her, the police will come and they will call us for inquiry, and we have to go to police station and we have to go to court. So they are not ready to take risk. That's why nobody is volunteered to help that girl except Baleshwar Mishra. ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜನರು ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆ ಯುವತಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗಾಕೊಂತೀವೋ, ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ತುಂಬ ಭಯಭೀತರಾಗಿದ್ದರು. His heart hammering his chest, Baleshwar showed himself to the door and jumped up the still moving train. Just you imagine that Roma Talreja, he didn't know Roma Talreja. She was a stranger to Baleshwar Mishra. Even though he is ready to help her, and he jumped off from the moving train to help her. It is a very strange thing. His heart hammering his chest. So his heart is beating very fast. He can hear the sound of the heart beating his heart. His heart hammering his chest. ಅವನ ಹೃದಯ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಬಡಿದುಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ shooed himself to the door. Shoot means push roughly. ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಬಂದ. push roughly ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ತಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮುಂದೆ ಡೋರ್ ಹತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ. shoot himself to the door and jumped off the still moving train. He came near the door, he stood near the door and he jumped off still moving train. He has pulled the red emergency chain, but the train was not stopped. It just slow down its speed only. It is now also it is moving. The Baleshwar jumped off. ಆ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ರೈಲು ನಿಂತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರು, ಆ ರೈಲಿನಿಂದ ನೆಗೆದ, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ನೆಗೆದ, ಜಂಪ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್, ನೆಗೆದ. Has he landed on the ground? When he jumped off the train, he landed on the ground. ಅವನು ನೆಗೆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವನು ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತಾಗ a burst of pain shot up in his ankle. So there was a heavy pain in his ankle. ಅವನ ಮೊಣಕಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ ತುಂಬಾ ನೋವು ಕಾಣಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು a burst of pain. A burst of pain shot up in his ankle. Ankle ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಮೊಣಕಾಲಿನ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಅವನಿಗೇನಾಯ್ತು, ತುಂಬಾ ಒಂದು ನೋವು ಆಯಿತು, ಹಾರಿದ ಒಂದು ನೆಗೆದ ಒಂದು ರಭಸಕ್ಕೆ. But there was no real damage. There was a pain only. There is no breakup or nothing serious damage not happened. Just a pain was there in his ankle. He got up to find part of his old rubber slipper sole torn off as a result of his fall. So he jumped off from the moving train and there was a burst of pain in his ankle, but there was no real damage. So then he got up and he was searching for his part of his old rubber slipper sole torn off as a result of his fall. So his rubber slipper has been torn off because of his jump from the moving train. So he was searching for that part of that rubber slipper. So ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವನು ಆ ಒಂದು ಚಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ರೈಲಿನಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹಾರಿದೋ, ಅವನ ಮೊಣಕಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಪೇನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಂತು, ನೋವು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಂತು. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಅವನ ರಬ್ಬರ್ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ಪರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಹರಿದು ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದನ್ನು ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾನೆ. But Baleshwar started to sprint back between the tracks as his train picked up speed again and disappeared. So after finding that, Baleshwar started to sprint back. Sprint back means started to run back between the tracks as his train picked up speed again and disappeared. So after that, Baleshwar started to run in the direction where the Roma Tolreja was fallen. He sprint back between the tracks. As he went there, his train, which he came, was to pick up his speed and disappeared. It means to say that the train moved away. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಮಿಶ್ರಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ, ಜಿಗಿದವನೇ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ, ತನ್ನ ರಬ್ಬರ್ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ಪರ್ನ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾನೆ, ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವನು ಯಾವ ದಿಕ್ಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಮಾ ತಲ್ರೇಜಾ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಆ ದಿಕ್ಕಿನ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಅಳಿಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ, ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಳಿಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಅವನು ಓಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವನು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಓಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಅವನು ಬಂದಂತ ರೈಲು ಕೂಡ ತನ್ನ ವೇಗವನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಕಾಣದಂತೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿಸ್ಅಪಿಯರ್ಡ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಪಿಯರ್ we add disappeared. Here dis is prefix. It is a good example for prefix. So now Baleshwar was so far away from Roma. So Baleshwar was so far away from Roma. He was not very near to Roma. Baleshwar was so far away from Roma. When Baleshwar saw the girl who was lying by the tracks, and when he pulled the chain and he jumped off the moving train, so there will be some time. It took some time, so the train moved far away from that place. So that here Baleshwar was far away from Roma. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಅವಳನ್ನ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಆ ಚೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಳೆದು ಟ್ರೈನ್ ನಿಂತು ಇವನು ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಆಗಲೇ ಬಹಳ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ರೋಮಾ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಳಿಂದ ಅವಳು ತುಂಬಾ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದ. ಫಾರ್ ಅವೇ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. He could not see her. He wanted to help her, but he could not see her. There was a long distance between them. I hope I am not too late. Underline that sentence. It may ask for extract in your exam. I hope I am not too late. Who said these words? With the speaker of these words? S. Baleshwar Mishra. He speak to himself. I hope I am not too late. ನಾನೇ ತುಂಬ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತಾನೆ. He thought, gasping for breath. He was running from a distant place, so he was gasping. ಎದುರು ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. After running for several minutes, so he ran several minutes between the tracks. After running for several minutes, he found her sprawled by the side of the tracks. So after running between the tracks, he found her sprawled by the side of the tracks. Sprawled means lie stretched. ಅಂಗಾತವಾಗಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವಾರು ನಿಮಿಷಗಳು ಓಡಿ ಬಂದ ನಂತರ ಅವನಿಗೆ ರೋಮಾಚಂದ್ರೇಜ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದುಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಬೆಹೆಂಜಿ आप ठीक है. So this is the Hindi word behenji. आप ठीक है. In this sentence, sister, you ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Sister, are you okay? Underline the sentence. It may ask for extra. But there was no response. So Baleshwar Mishra, when he reached the place where Roma was lying on the tracks, he tried to speak with her. He asked her, sister, are you okay? But there was no response from her because she was unconscious. She was unconscious. She lost her consciousness. ಅವ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಉತ್ತರ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. And no help in sight. So there was nobody is there in that spot to help him, to took her to the hospital. Nobody was there. There was no helping hand. They were alone somewhere between two stations, 5 kilometers apart in Thane district, which borders Mumbai. So they were alone somewhere between two stations. So they were in the middle of two stations. So they have to go. If they want to go to the station, they have to move 5 kilometers from that in both directions. So they were in the middle of the stations, two stations. ಅವರು ಆ ಎರಡು ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, 5 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಗಳ ಅಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ. They were alone somewhere between two stations, 5 kilometers apart in Thane district. So the place came in Thane district, Mumbai, which borders Mumbai. which is in the border of the Mumbai. They were alone. Baleshwar could see blood flowing out of a gash behind the young woman's head. So now Baleshwar saw, but the blood was flowing behind her head because of the falling. ಅವಳು ಚಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂತ ರೈಲಿನಿಂದ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವಳ ತಲೆಯ ಹಿಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆಟ್ಟಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲೇನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ರಕ್ತ ಸೋರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. Saying a silent prayer. So he remembered the God. Saying a silent prayer, he lifted 5 foot to 50 kilo Roma gingerly and made his way across the tracks. So he gingerly, with lot of effort, he lifted her on his hand. She was 5.2 meters height and she is 50 kilo. Maybe she is approximately 50 kilometers weight. So Baleshwar Mishra took her. He lifted her in his hand and made his way across the tracks. ಅವನು ಅವಳನ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವಾಗಿ ಅವಳನ್ನ ಎತ್ತಿಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತನ್ನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಹಳಿಗಳಿಂದ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಚಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ವೇ ಔಟ್. ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ಸ್, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಆ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ರೈಲುಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದಾವ ಅಂತ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ and searching the way, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ರೋಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, he has to search a way, he has to reach the road. So he is searching for the way. He crossed through some shrubbery and followed the direction of the sounds until he found the road. So at last he crossed so many shrubberies, means ಒಂದು ಮುಳ್ಳು ಗಿಡಗಂಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ತಡೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು at last, and he observed the sounds of followed the direction of the sounds. ಆ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಗಳು ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹಿಂಬಾಲಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಇವನು ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, he reached the road. My sister is injured, he implored motorists who drove by. So here he is requesting the motorist who was passing on the road. He is requesting, my sister is injured, please help me to take her to the hospital. Like that he is requesting, please help me to take her to the hospital, but no one stopped. But the motorists who were going on the road, nobody is ready to help him. Just they were seeing and they were moving, because they are not ready to take risk. So let it stop here. In the next class I will continue this lesson. Sorry to say it that my thumb is not in good condition, so I can't do the board work. So please excuse me for that. I hope you have all understand the lesson